Hello everyone, welcome to Mini Thinkers. My name is Miss Taryn and I'm from the Davis County Public Library. Mini Thinkers is a program that we do each month when we meet in person. It's on the fourth Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. and it is for preschoolers ages 3 to 5. So we always do some kind of science experiment. So today we are going to do shaving cream rain clouds. Should I just start over?
Just keep going.
But now I've turned to you and it's recording.
Just start over.
Okay. Hello everyone and welcome to Mini Thinkers. My name is Miss Taryn and I'm from the Davis County Public Library. And Mini Thinkers is a program we usually do once a month during the year. We meet on the fourth Tuesday at 10 a.m. at the library. And since we're not able to meet right now, I'm bringing it to you here from my kitchen. So we always do some sort of science experiment or activity at the library, and usually it's something you can take home. So today we are doing shaving cream rain clouds, which is really fun. It's something that you can do for as long as you like, and it's still just as fun. So let's talk a little bit about what this activity represents. So, did you know that when it rains, the rain doesn't just come from the sky? Rain actually comes from clouds. So, when the air has lots of water in it, clouds form. And then, when water droplets gather together in the clouds, then that causes rain to drop once the clouds get filled with enough water droplets. So they get so heavy, they just drop down into rain. So that is how rain happens. And our little activity today will show you how that works. Okay? You guys ready to get started? All right, let's do it. So for the first thing, I'm going to tell you the ingredients that you'll need to do this activity in your own home. All right, so first you'll need, I would say, a multiple clear cups. I have 4 here. You can use as many as you want, depending on how many colors you want to use in your rain cloud. So I have 3 colors I'm going to use, and then this one will be our clear cup that we'll use for the actual activity. All right, you'll also need some water. You'll need a dropper or pipette, which I have right here. Okay, you'll need food coloring. You can use 1 color, you can use 5 colors, doesn't matter. All of them are fun. And then lastly, you will need shaving cream. All right. So, one thing I would recommend is definitely using it with a pipette. If you don't have one, I would try to use something that is similar, because using it with the food coloring alone is much harder, because there's less liquid in here than there is in these cups. All right, so let's get started. So first, you're gonna fill up your cups with water. Now, I've already done that step for you guys. So what I did was I filled them about halfway full, especially the one that I'm going to use for the activity, because I want to be able to fill the top part with the shaving cream. All right. So the other ones you can fill up higher if you want. I just did half because didn't want to waste water. It's just me doing the experiment, but use as much as you want. All right, so we filled up our water in each of our cups. Now we're going to take our food coloring, and again, however much food coloring and different colors you want to use is up to you. I'm going to do 3. All right, so I'm going to put about 10 drops in there to get this color good and changed. All right, so a lot of times if you use food coloring, if you use a little bit, the color looks really light. So if you use a lot, it'll look really dark. So you can see this purple one is turning out really dark. Okay, and then last I'm gonna do our blue. Ooh, this is a pretty blue. All right, that's a pretty good color. Okay, so now I have all of our colors here, and they kind of settle and mix together on their own. So the next thing that you'll need to do is take your shaving cream. So adults or big kids, I would recommend you to be the one to do this, not the little ones, all right? So take your shaving cream and you're going to put it on top of the clear cup, and you're just gonna fill it out so you have a nice puffy looking cloud. Now you can make your cloud thinner than mine if you want. What we want is it to look like a rain cloud. So the clouds that we see that have rain in them, or if you think storms, they're pretty big, right? So this one is pretty tall. So that means it's going to get fuller and drop lots of rain. Okay, so here's our cloud. And next, we are going to get to put the rain in it. Okay, so I've got my dropper. I'm going to put it into my blue cup here. I want to use that one since it looks like rain. And I'm going to squeeze on the end of the dropper and then release it. I'll let go of it. And then I've got blue water in it. So parents, this activity is really good for developing like pinching and squeezing coordination with your toddler or preschooler. So this is a great thing to have them help you with. So kids can do that part. And then now that we've got water in it, that's kind of moving around a little bit, we're going to squeeze it on top of our cloud. All right, so now unless you made a really thin cloud, it's probably not going to start reacting right away. It is super fun that we're getting to do this, and it is coloring the shaving cream, isn't it? All right, let's see if it's doing this. Oh, it's starting. Okay, so you can see mine. I'm gonna show you the side of it. So you can see how that rain, that blue water I took, went all the way from the top of that cloud, and it got heavy, and it went down to the bottom. So it's starting, you can see it here, it's starting to come down into the clear water, which is the air in our experiment. So you can see the rain coming down. So I want to see about purple and how purple is going to look. Ooh, that is a pretty purple. Oh, yep. There goes our purple. Moms and dads, grandparents, you can do this as many times as you want with your little one. It is super fun, and it's, like I said, it's really good in developing those skills that they'll need to eventually begin writing and holding a writing utensil. Oh, yep, here comes our purple. So I want to show you what the purple is looking like, and it's here on this side, and it's kind of coming down and mixing with the blue. So the more that you do, the more it's going to fill up, and your shaving cream might kind of collapse under the weight of all this water that we put into it. So keep doing it. This one we could keep going for a while. So I'm gonna let you guys choose how much time you want to spend doing your shaving cream rain cloud today. So that is it for our experiment. Hope you guys had fun. Let me know how you liked it in the comments, and I will see you next time.